Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Tech channel. So in this video we're going to talk about that how you can blur a particular object or particular part of your video which has already been uploaded on YouTube channel, right? Because it could happen that once a time happened with me that I have uploaded a video and there was one part where my phone number was showing. So I couldn't just delete that video and re-upload it, otherwise I would have lost all of my views. So what I did was I used this trick that YouTube allows you even after uploading a video, you can edit it. You can blur a particular part or particular face, right? So I'm gonna tell you all the things that how you can blur any object or any person's face in a particular uploaded video. So first of all, you have to go on your channel's YouTube studio, right? So you have to go on the studio, my studio, and from there you have to select the content. After selecting the content, you have to choose the particular video which you want to blur, right? First of all, you have to find out that what object you want to blur out and what is the duration of that particular object when that particular object is appearing on that video. So you have to find out that particular time of that video. You have either you can blur out that particular object for whole of the video, or you can just choose a particular time, right? So for example, this is my video and I want to add this particular strip from this video for a particular period of time, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this video and after that I'm going to go on the editor part, right? So as I have selected the editor part, you can see that there are multiple options and there is my video. Now this option here, the blur is written, you have to select on the add blur, right? So I'm gonna add blur. There are two options like face blur and custom blur. In face blur, you can just select out a particular person's face and anytime that particular face appears on this video, it will get blurred, right? So it is detecting the face. After this, a particular face, it will show you some faces and you can just select one face and get it blurred, right? But right now I'm going to tell you that how you can custom blur or you can choose a object that you want to blur out by your own, right? So I'm going to select the custom blur. Now here are some shapes that what type of blur you want. You want a rectangle or you want a oval. So as I've told you, I want to blur this particular type of strip, right? So I'm going to take it and I'm going to adjust its size. After that, I can select the timings. Either you can keep it throughout the video or you can select the timing. So I'm just selecting the timing that I want this blur to be appear on 1 minute 13 seconds to 1 minute 35 seconds, right? So I have selected the time here. Okay, so after doing that, you have to select that particular thing that you want to blur out. Now this is the strip that 450 million plus active monthly users. I want to blur this particular strip, right? So I'm gonna just adjust this blur according to this strip. Now there are two options that either you can track the object or you can fix this blur position, right? So whenever if that object moves, it will track it and it will blur it, but I'm gonna choose this fixed blur position. So whatever I have chosen, this blur would be on that particular object, right? So I have selected it. You can just take the preview out, right? Alright, so after selecting that particular part and we have put our blur out there, you have to click on the save, and after saving it, this window will appear and you have to select on the save. But just be sure that whenever you are trying to edit your video, either you want to blur something or you want to trim it, only one change at a time can happen in the YouTube, right? So just be sure before doing any changes, because you can only do it once. If you want to do it again, you have to discard the previous change, so be sure about that. Okay, so as you can see, our video has been updated. Now I'll show you that how it worked. Okay, so as you can see, this is a video that I have edited with that particular blur. So as I have played this video, you can see that all the video is same, but that particular part, that strip has been blurred, and that's how we made a major change to our video, right? So you can do it too yourself, because I do understand that that mistakes can happen, so you can just rectify them like this. In our next video, I'm gonna talk about that how you can trim a video, right? So do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss a video, and I hope you have learned something from this video. If there any problem or question occurring while doing this step, then you can just comment down, and thank you so much.